codi arian ar gyfer y Madagascar. A un o'r pethau ni'n neud y godi arian yw gwneud coginio. A ni'n falch iawn, mae cyswllt agos gyda ni yn Llanfair, Penrhys, gyda Madagascar. A mae dwy wedi dod i goginio ni heddi, mae Rebecca a mae Bertine. Bertine yw mam yng Nghyfraith Rebecca. So, gewn ni weld beth mae'r menywod yn mynd i wneud. Maen nhw'n mynd i wneud mwffbol.
Dim 5 eggs.
Welsh eggs, of course.
Yes, Welsh eggs are the most delicious eggs.
The good advert.
The siramami 200 gram.
200 grams of sugar.
So in Malagasy, eggs, what is eggs in Malagasy?
Atudi.
Sugar is
Siramami.
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 And in Madagascar, would people make these for special occasions or just?
It is like everyday snack. Yeah.
So really, it's a bit like
Welsh cake, I would say. Your Welsh cake, I would say. Your Welsh cake, I said our Welsh cake.
Yes, yes. And how much flour did?
500 grams.
Right.
Sorry. Too helpful.
Finished.
So we're gonna fry the butter now. So we just scoop out a little bit. We're just waiting for it. When this is kind of, I think this brown one is ready. So we hope that you will enjoy, and we hope that you will try at home and enjoy your move ball.